There's a reason 71% of Fortune 100 IT leaders leverage a third-party maintenance provider. Third-party maintenance is a common-sense approach to data center support, and it challenges the OEM's viewpoint on maintenance costs. The OEMs traditionally charge more to support your equipment over time. The older your equipment, the more you will pay to support it. The problem is, that doesn't make sense. The cost to support your equipment actually decreases with time. The older your hardware, the more abundant its spare parts become, making them easier to find and buy at a fair price. Plus, the longer your device has been on the market, the more engineering talent available to support it. So, why does the OEM charge more to support your hardware? The answer is simple. They want to push you to upgrade. These are just a few reasons why third-party maintenance is such a cost-effective solution. We invite you to learn more by visiting us online or contact us today at 877-531-7466. At CentricsIT, we see IT differently.